everyone, it's Andrea with Natural Green Mom, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade reusable cleaning wipes. This recipe is so easy. You're going to wonder why you ever purchased cleaning wipes in the first place. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to head into the Dollar Tree and I want you to look for these microfiber washcloths. Now, I've told you that my favorite cleaning product is their microfiber cleaning wipes, but the thing with these is you get 4 of them for $1, so each one is just 25 cents. Now, do you have to buy these to make the reusable cleaning wipes? No, you really don't. I just happen to really like microfiber for cleaning because it does part of the work for you. They're super grippy, grab lots of crumbs, all sorts of things off your surfaces, dust, allergens. So I kind of recommend them. And at just 25 cents each, this is a real Dollar Tree find. Now let's make our solution. First, I have 1 cup of water, and to that 1 cup of water, I'm just adding 1/4 cup of inexpensive vodka. Now, if you don't have vodka in your house, you can ask at the liquor store behind the counter. That's where they keep the inexpensive vodkas. So you've got a 1/4 cup of vodka in there, and then we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of Castile soap. Okay, you don't want to add too much to this, or you're going to get soapy countertops. Now, if you happen to have lemon essential oil, I like to add about 15 drops of lemon essential oil. This not only adds to the cleaning power of your product, but it also helps make it smell good, because there is a little bit of a vodka smell. And that's 15. All right, then the next thing you're going to need is a sealable jar. You don't want any of the moisture to escape, so you want something that maybe has a lockdown lid. Add a couple of your cloths to the bottom of the jar, and then just add some of your solution. And just keep layering until you've got your jar completely full. This jar, I'm going to be able to add about 8 to 12 of these cleaning wipes. And just keep stepping them on in until you get them all nice and moist. So you want them to stay moist. You're just going to lock those up. Your wipes are now completely ready to go, and that lemon scent smells so good. Here's a little trick you're going to want to use. I put 2 command hooks on the inside of my kitchen cabinet, and I hung one of these mesh laundry bags, also a Dollar Tree find. When you're done with your cleaning wipe, simply toss it in there, and at the end of the week when your bag's full, you just toss it in the wash.